V. Data persistence. A. Introduction to data persistence. Data persistence in Android refers to the process of storing and retrieving data across app sessions so that the data can be accessed even after the app is closed or the device is restarted. Data persistence is crucial for many types of Android apps that need to store and retrieve data, such as user preferences, app settings, user-generated content, and more. There are several approaches to achieving data persistence in Android, including 1. Shared preferences. Shared preferences is a key-value pair storage mechanism that allows you to store simple data types, such as strings, integers, booleans, etc., in key-value pairs. 2. Internal storage. Internal storage is a private storage location within an app's sandboxed environment where you can store app-specific files, such as databases, images, and other data. 3. External storage. External storage refers to the public storage location that is accessible by the user and other apps. You can use external storage to store large files, such as media files or documents, that need to be shared across apps or accessed by the user. Data persistence is an important aspect of Android app development, as it enables apps to store and retrieve data across different app sessions, making the app more user-friendly and functional. B. Shared preferences and internal storage. Shared preferences and internal storage are two commonly used methods for achieving data persistence in Android. Let's take a brief look at each of them. 1. Shared preferences. Shared preferences is a simple and lightweight mechanism for storing key-value pairs of data in Android. They are private to the app and can only be accessed by the app itself. 2. Internal storage. Internal storage is a private storage location within an app's sandboxed environment where you can store app-specific files, such as databases, images, and other data. Shared preferences and internal storage are relatively simple methods for achieving data persistence in Android, suitable for storing small amounts of app-related data, such as user preferences, app settings, or other simple data types. See SQLite and Room libraries. SQLite and Room are popular libraries in Android for data persistence that provide more advanced and robust solutions compared to shared preferences and internal storage. Let's take a brief look at each of them. 1. SQLite. SQLite is a self-contained, serverless, transactional, and zero-configuration relational database engine that is embedded within the Android OS. It is a powerful and lightweight database engine that provides a SQL-based approach to store and retrieve structured data in an app. 2. Room. Room is a higher-level, SQLite-based library provided by Google as part of the Android architecture components. Room provides an abstraction layer over SQLite that simplifies the process of working with databases in Android apps. SQLite and Room are powerful and flexible options for data persistence in Android, suitable for storing complex and larger data sets. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.